Hey guys, when I was a kid, I really liked the show Phineas and Ferb. There's 104 days of summer vacation. And I really liked the episode when they made Perry the Inaction Platypus. So when I was little, I asked my dad if he could make one for me. And we worked together and we made one, which is about 40 centimeters. Now this is cool and all, it's just a little bit big. So today I'm thinking of making a miniature one that is a fridge magnet. So yeah, let's get started. All done. So I made it tiny, it's miniature, but yeah, I'm actually really happy of how this turned out. I also, if you didn't see, put a magnet in the bottom of it so it can actually stick onto like a fridge or anything magnetic. So I guess it's a upgrade from the last one. Thank you so much for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. Oh, I dropped it. Bye bye.